Today we're going to
Cook
cook carbonara.
Yeah.
Okay.
Carbonara.
Did I cut you?
That's okay. So we are going to need some this one.
I also want
Century tuna
And we need this pan.
and then mushroom.
And we also need this pan.
Yes, the pan, this all-purpose cream, and the pasta. Okay, so first we're going to prepare. We also have here butter, and where is this one? Garlic.
So you just put salt in the water. I think that's enough.
More.
Yeah, that's. Oh.
Okay.
So we will put the pasta in the
Casserole.
casserole.
Okay, careful. Okay, there.
Here, it's cooking, guys. Yeah. Wait. Hello. Today we're now going to open the pan. Wow. We put some butter. Now it's cooking. Just leave it right there for a few minutes. No, actually, stir it up so it can be oily stuff. So now, since you're stirring it up, the butter will get heated and it will melt. Now, we will now put the garlic. A lot of garlic. Yeah. There you go. You mix the garlic. You mix it. Now mix it. You mix it until it smells bad. Oh no? So we're now gonna put the century tuna on the pan. Yep. More. Nice and easy. Let's check the pasta now. See, since excuse me, the pasta was hard, but then when you put in the boiling water, it will turn into golden soft. We will now put the mushroom. Wait, it's left behind. There. Can I stir it? It's gonna stir really well. Now you see. Wow. So we don't have cheese, so it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, that's why we put the mushroom first. Yeah. See? Now we're gonna put the cream all over. There.
More.
Oh, my mom wants more. Yeah, all of that.
Then stir it.
I'll stir it.
Okay.
Oh no. Okay, so now, oh, my mom. Wow. So now since it's beautifully, yeah, it looks so much hazelnut. But
Almost done?
Yeah. Maybe. This is done now. Yeah. Also, guys, if you don't see me, because I'm guarding my little cute puppy. So now we're gonna put the pasta on the sauce. If we make a mistake, that's our fault. Oh, yeah, right. Can I do it? Yeah, my sister's turn. Since I'm kind of scared, let me get the whole chunk. Wait, I want the whole chunk. Wow.
Careful.
It's too big.
Okay. That's enough.
Our carbonara is now done. We just have to mix it now. Because some of the pasta didn't get the sauce, bro.
What can you say about the carbonara that you made or you cooked?
It's pretty good, but I think it will pretty taste bad because we didn't add the cheese. But it's okay, it's still gonna taste good.
Okay, let's now taste it.
We're now gonna eat our carbonara that we cook. Actually, my mom cooked it half. Yeah. Wow. It's so long. Guys, look, it's so long. Guys, it's a 10 out of 10. This is perfect without the cheese. On my nose. I'm a big carbonara fan, but I guess without the cheese, it tastes still good. As long as me. Thank you for watching. See you our next video. Yay!